In this video, I'm going to explain what Topaz is and how it works, and why so many filmmakers and content creators use it to make their footage look dramatically better. Hi and welcome back to DIY Film with Merle Becker, the channel where I help you make better videos. Alright, if you've ever recorded footage that's a little soft focused or a little noisy, or maybe you have a project you completed years ago and you'd like to re-release it in a higher resolution, also called upscaling, Topaz might be exactly what you're looking for. So what is it? Topaz, or more specifically Topaz Video, is a standalone application that uses artificial intelligence to improve the quality of your video. Instead of simply sharpening an image or applying a traditional noise reduction filter, it analyzes every frame using machine learning models that have been trained on millions of examples. The result is often much cleaner, sharper, and more detailed looking footage. It's pretty impressive. Topaz is a desktop application, meaning you need to download and install the software and run it directly on your computer. So what can Topaz do? One of its biggest features is upscaling. This lets you take lower resolution footage and increase it to 4K or even higher, while preserving as much detail as possible. This can be especially useful if you're working with older footage, screen recordings, or clips from older cameras. Another popular feature is AI-powered noise reduction. If you've ever had to shoot in low light and ended up with grainy footage, Topaz can remove much of that noise while still keeping the fine details intact. It also includes sharpening models that can recover detail from footage that's just a little soft focus. Now, it's not going to magically fix footage that's completely out of focus, but for slightly soft focus clips, the results can be surprisingly good. Another feature is frame interpolation. This allows you to increase your video's frame rate, creating a smoother motion or generating slow motion footage from clips that weren't originally shot in high frame rates. And finally, Topaz can help reduce compression artifacts. If you've downloaded heavily compressed video or have older files that don't look very clean, Topaz can often improve them significantly. So how do you actually use it? It's pretty straightforward. Go to their website and download and install the application, then open Topaz and import your video clip. Next, choose the AI enhancement that best matches the problem you're trying to solve. For example, you might choose noise reduction, upscaling, sharpening, or frame interpolation. You can even combine several enhancements into a single export. Then, preview a small section of your video. This is important because different AI models can produce slightly different results, and you want to see which works best before you render the whole thing. Once you're happy with the settings, choose your output resolution and export the file. Depending on your computer and the length of your video, this process can take anywhere from a few minutes to a little while, since AI processing is very demanding. One thing to keep in mind is that Topaz isn't a video editor. You still want to do your editing inside of Premiere, Final Cut, or DaVinci Resolve. Topaz is best used as part of your finishing workflow to improve the quality of your footage before you deliver your final video. Alright, have you used Topaz yet? If so, let us know in the comments what features you use the most and whether you've been happy with the results. And if you decide you'd like to try it out, click the link in the video description. I'll get a small portion of your purchase at no cost to you as a little thank you. And as always, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell so you know when the next one is posted, and I will catch you next time.